everyone, I welcome you all to Focus of the Day session of ANALYST IAS. In this particular session, we will discuss about World Tourism Day, which is celebrated on 27th of September every year. We will discuss this particular news in the following sequence. First, why it is in news, followed by key highlights of the event, followed by about Kalaripayattu, followed by about NSS, followed by prelims and mains based practice question. But before we start our discussion, I want you all to be informed about public administration, polity and IR and ethics classes of Analyst IAS, which has already been started from 26th of September. Along with these classes, we are also holding classes for current affairs. So you can inquire about any of the following courses on the given number, and you can also visit our official address, that is in Old Rajinder Nagar Market. So now let's move on to our discussion about World Tourism Day. Why it is in news. The NSS, that is National Service Scheme, units of colleges organized World Tourism Day events in the Sarovaram Biopark in Kozhikode. The key highlights of this particular events are student-made, colourful, environment-friendly signboards to replace plastic signboards, and they also painted gratitude stones that will be presented to park visitor. On the beach of Kozhikode, NSS volunteer participated in a beach cleaning campaign. Kite surfing, which is an Olympic event, was explained by One India Kite team captain. On Kappad Blue Flag Beach, the celebration for Tourism Day began with a Kalaripayattu performance by Kadathanad K.P, Chandran Gurukkal Memorial Kalari Sangham. 50 students, representatives of the community and the locals participated in a marathon on the Vadakara beach. So these were some key highlights about this particular event. Now this gives us an opportunity to know more about Kalaripayattu and about NSS. So we will discuss about Kalaripayattu right now. Kalaripayattu is a martial art based on the ancient knowledge of the human body. It originated in Kerala during 3rd century BC to 2nd century AD, and it is now practiced in Kerala and in some part of Tamil Nadu. The place where this martial art is practiced is called Kalari. It is a Malayalam word that signifies a kind of gymnasium. Kalari literally means threshing floor or battlefield. The word Kalari first appears in Tamil Sangham literature to describe both a battlefield and a combat arena. It is considered to be one of the oldest fighting systems in existence, and it is also considered as the father of modern Kung Fu. Now, in this particular image, you can see different poses and movement of Kalaripayattu. Now we will move on toward our discussion about NSS. It is an Indian government sector public service program conducted by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. It was launched in Gandhiji centenary year in 1969. It aimed at developing students' personality through community service. NSS is a voluntary association of young people in colleges, university and at +2 level working for a campus community. Now we will discuss about our prelims practice question. With reference to India's culture and tradition, what is Kalaripayattu? A. It is an ancient bhakti cult of Shaivism, still prevalent in some part of the South India. B. It is an ancient style bronze and brass work still found in southern part of the Coromandel arena. C. It is an ancient form of dance drama and a living tradition in the northern part of the Malabar. And D. It is an ancient martial art and a living tradition in some parts of the South India. You have to answer this particular question and write your answer in comment box. I will explain this particular question in my next session. Now let's discuss yesterday's question. With reference to Indian elephant, consider the following statement. First, the leader of the elephant group is a female. Second, the maximum gestation period can be 22 months. Third, an elephant can normally go on calving till the age of 40 years only. 4. Among the states in India, the highest elephant population is in Kerala. So the correct answer for this particular question is A, that is 1 and 2 statement only. Now we will move on to our mains practice question. Discuss the role of NSS in developing the personality and leadership quality of the youth and in engaging them in nation building activities. You have to answer this particular question in 250 words and send us your answers to get it reviewed. So this is all for today. Stay tuned and stay updated with Analyst IAS. Thank you.